Mabuhay, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Mabalacat City, Pampanga. I'm Bea, your tour guide for today. On behalf of ABC Tours, it is my pleasure to show you around this vibrant city known as the Gateway to the North. Mabalacat is part of the Clark Freeport Zone and hub of economy, activity, and tourism. Today, we will explore a variety of attractions from theme parks to cultural sites and nature spots. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour as we dive into the heart of Mabalacat City. Our first stop is Dinosaurs Island, located within Clark Freeport Zone. This fascinating theme park offers a thrilling journey back in time to the age of dinosaurs. Before we head in, here are a few things to keep in mind. First is stay with the group and follow the park's designated paths. Photography is allowed, so feel free to capture the massive life-size animatronic dinosaurs. Third, the park is divided into different sections: Dino Trail, Fossil Museum, and Dino World of Fun. As you walk along the Dino Trail, you will encounter dinosaurs such as the fearsome dinosaurs. The animatronics make the experience more realistic as they move and roar just like in prehistoric times. Next, we will visit the Fossil Museum, where we can learn about the prehistoric era, dinosaur skeletons, and other fascinating facts. Finally, we head to Dino World of Fun, an attractive area where children and adults can experience rides, games related to dinosaurs. We'll have 1.5 hours to explore Dinosaur Island. Please be back at the bus by after 1.5 hours. Enjoy! Our next destination is Aquaplanet, the largest water theme park in the Philippines. This massive water park spans over 10 hectares and over 38 water attractions, from extreme slides to relaxing wave pools. Here are some few key attractions to check out: the Aqua Loop, a high-speed water slide for thrill seekers; the Flow Rider, a simulated surfing area for those who want to try riding the waves; the Tsunami Wave Pool, experience waves reaching up to 6 feet; the Octopus Racer, a multi-lane slide where you can race your friends, and you will have 2 hours to explore and enjoy the attractions. Remember to stay hydrated and apply sunscreen as it can get quite hot. Safety is a top priority, so follow all instructions from the lifeguards and staff. Let's meet back at the main entrance after 2 hours. Have a splash-tastic time. Now we proceed to Insectlandia, a unique park that features larger-than-life insect replicas. This destination is perfect for families and nature enthusiasts. Inside, we will see various sections such as the Butterfly Garden, a lush area where you can observe colorful butterflies in a natural habitat. The Insect Museum displays various insect species and educates visitors about their roles in the ecosystem. The giant insect animatronics learn about different insects' anatomy and behavior as you walk among massive replicas of ants, beetles, and spiders. Take your time exploring large exhibits and don't forget to check out the educational videos that highlights how this insect contributes to our environment. We will spend 1 hour here. Let's meet back after 1 hour in the entrance. Enjoy! Our next stop is the Clark Parade Grounds, a sprawling open space perfect for a relaxing stroll surrounded by center old acacia trees. This area is a popular spot for jogging, biking, and picnics. During the American occupation, the parade ground served as a military drill area. Today, it is a recreational area where people can enjoy outdoor activities, play sports, or simply unwind under the shade of the trees. You are free to walk around, take photos, and enjoy the serene ambience. We will spend 45 minutes here before moving on to our next destination. Please be back after 45 minutes at our bus. Our final stop for today is Nayong Pilipino Clark, a cultural theme park that showcases the rich heritage and diverse culture of the Philippines. Inside, we will explore miniature Philippine landmarks, replicas of the iconic structures like the Banawe Rice Terraces, the Chocolate Hills, and Rizal Park; ethnic villages, learn about the culture and traditions of indigenous tribes, like the Ifugao, Kalinga, and Maranao. Cultural performances witness traditional dances such as the Tinikling, Singkil, and Pandango sa Ilaw. Last but not the least, the craft shops and souvenir stores. Purchase locally made crafts and souvenirs as a memento of your visit. We will have 1.5 hours to explore the park. Please be back after 1.5 hours at the bus. It's now time to experience the culinary delights of Pampanga, the culinary capital of the Philippines. We will be dining at Aling Lusing Sisig, where you can try authentic Kapampangan dishes such as sisig, crispy pork bits sauteed with onions and chili, kare-kare, a peanut-based stew with oxtail tripe and vegetables, and bringhe, a Kapampangan version of paella made with glutinous rice, coconut milk, and turmeric. Please inform the restaurant staff of any dietary restrictions or allergies. Let's regroup at the bus by 2 p.m. If you have any questions or would like recommendations for more activities in Pampanga, feel free to ask me. On behalf of ABC Tours, we thank you for your time and enthusiasm. Have a safe journey and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much.